So looking at the gift shop, more insulation has gone in, and man, it's looking great, actually. I'll give it that. It's looking really good. Also, the station is coming quite the ways. It looks a heck of a lot better than it did a week ago, and the roof actually looks like it's complete. And actually, they are doing painting today on the mural of the sunset, which is looking fabulous, I might add. It's looking really pretty. What?
They took out some of the doors.
You're right, they did take out some of the doors over on this wall, but this door is still, of course, just chilling out here. So the train is still on the brake run / transfer track over there, and the station is looking really built up as of now.
It's the orange. They were working on it this morning.
So the overbank has part of the lighting package almost done. It looks like it's only going up halfway though. I'm not sure if they're gonna put any more lights on this side of the overbank or not, but man, we're getting close. But this coaster, I must say, is just a gorgeous looking thing. It looks so great, and at least the day, I can't wait to see what it's like at night. Also, interesting thing I might add, the lighting package is going up the drop. So I'm not sure if the drop is completed with the lighting package or not, but literally the last light is until the third spine ends. I don't know where they put, the lights after it gets to 2 spines, but I don't know.
Although you can see the palm tree right there, they're definitely landscaping.
So definitely more concrete for the queue going in, and maybe even some landscaping over on the far side where they are. It's looking great. So even some queue railings have gone up. Man, this is going to be open hopefully very, very soon. So just a quick update on Xcelerator. They were doing some testing today, but they have all the employees have been sent home that were training for Xcelerator today. So no more tests today, sadly. So we will not see any tests, but we will go check out the train after we ride Sky Cabin. So definitely some new concrete coming in for sure. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
It's gonna spin anyway.
So there is completed fence work on this side of the Cobra Roll, and man, most of the queue is already done.
Actually, it's down on the other side too.
Wow.
Looks like fog. Yeah, there's an island too. I'm
Looks like fog.
so swim to the island.
Yep.
So there's the train on the transfer track right there. Rock work is done on both ends of the Cobra Roll, and man, the queue is almost done.
I can see Universal Studios.
I didn't think I was gonna get on Ghost today, to be honest, but I did.
We came with the right amount of people. You know what I'm saying? If it was packed, they would have ride by. We wouldn't have been able to go.
By the way, I got to yell.
So window panes have already gone in for the gift shop. How about that? Woo. 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 Wait, is that Ghost Rider? I don't know, is that? I'm blind, I think. So they now have window panes in the ride-op booth as well. So I think the front train is orange. Well, the front train is orange for sure, but I think it's white train that's back there. So I don't know where yellow train is. That's a great question. Even some light fixtures have been put into the station already. Look at that. That's a light.
I was just gonna head straight to Silver Bullet now that we're thinking about it.
Here's a look at the rock work for the Cobra Roll. Man, it looks good. Also, the fencing is complete around the Cobra Roll. So here's kind of a look at the entrance. If it would focus, there's the doorway, and there's some lights, or lights. It's a window. My bad. So catwalk lights are on for Hangtime, and we've got a construction worker looking at the catwalk on top. So hopefully we'll see some testing later tonight. So while we're waiting for Hangtime, I'm going to give a little Xcelerator news. Most of the test runs have actually not been making it over the top hat with the new system. So this is actually a huge problem that the Xcelerator team is facing, and it might be open later than expected.
I think it was 4 out of the 10 test runs on either Sunday or Saturday were successful. Only 4 of 10. That's kind of crazy compared to what it used to be with like literally 10 out of 10 like every time. But with the new system, they're definitely having some troubles, and just hopefully we'll see it like open soon. But there is a chance that it will not be open for another week or so, or at least until they fix the system completely. So interesting to see the catwalk lights up at the top of the lift of Hangtime. Hopefully we're waiting for some testing to happen, but I don't know if there will be any, at least while we're, you know, in the park. They do have the lights on for the ride-off booth and the maintenance bay, so they're definitely in there, but I don't know if we'll see a test. We've been hearing reversing or releasing valves a lot with like friction brakes and stuff, but we'll see what happens. I don't think we're seeing a test this time around. I guess we gotta take a U-turn. But man, it looks good. I don't know what that was. I really don't. I'm sorry. Oh wait, are we actually gonna get this? Oh, well, is it? Where is it? Is it on the lift? It's on the lift. Okay, it's on the lift, so we actually might get this. Well, do you have anybody? You don't have anybody. Well, not for a while. You don't.
It's on the holding brake.
It's on the holding brake. There it goes. Down the drop. Oh, you can definitely hear it from here. Over. I'm sorry, this is out of focus. It's really hard to focus on this. Negative G stall loop. Corkscrew, I'm sure, but the fence is too big. Can we get a view? Not really. Dang. But that was cool. We got one view.
One view.
Yeah.
That's kind of hard to see.
It's really hard to see, but we saw it go down the drop. Heyo. And you know, my camera can't focus on anything in the light because the low light sucks. We'll see you on the next shot.